Welcome to YoSchool, a complete school management platform designed to simplify administration, academics, finance, communication, and parent engagement. This is going to be a short video as it's just a walkthrough of the platform so you can understand how the entire system works together. We will not be going deep into each module yet because dedicated detailed training videos will follow after this. By the end of this session, you will clearly understand the power and structure of YoSchool. I already have got a demo set up here, so I will log into the demo. Okay, I used the weak password. The password is called password. You are going to be using stronger passwords. One of the biggest challenges school face is disconnected systems where academics are managed separately, finance is handled elsewhere, parents constantly phone schools for updates, transport is not integrated, reports are difficult to analyze. YoSchool was designed to bring everything together into one connected ecosystem. So when you log in, you land on the dashboard. This main dashboard gives management a real-time overview of the school. Different users may see different dashboards depending on their roles and permissions. Everything here is managed by permissions. So as you can see, this is just a quick summary: how many students, the revenue this month, outstanding balance, some graphical snapshots to make visualization easier. The command center is also a quick way for management to have a real-time overview of the school. It has got different pages here, which we'll go into detail later. Since we said this is a multi-school management system, it means if you've got a campus in Kadoma, a campus in Gweru, a campus in Budiriro, a campus in Glenview, you can create those as separate schools and simply switch between the schools here. This dashboard will allow you to compare how the schools are doing academically, financially, and any other aspect. The benchmarks is just for comparing your class performance, your grade performance. You can choose average attendance. You can choose by class. Under core management, this is where we have the students directory, which connects every module in this platform. From finance, we'll be going into detail later on. We've got merit awards, attendance, the teachers directory, the guardians directory, the hostels, users, disciplinary records, and this is where you manage your multi-schools. The finance module is a very important module. We've got accounting integrated with this system. You set up your chart of accounts, but by default, we already set up the most used accounting charts in schools. You will set up your fee items. These are the groups that you record payments for. It could be tuition, it could be levy, anything. We'll go into detail later on. The communication module allows you to communicate internally or with the parents. We also have got communication campaigns which you can use to communicate with various categorized users. It could be students, it could be guardians. You could send a message to a certain class. You could send to guardians of students with dates, and you could make adjustments that we want date from this amount to this amount, dates which are now older than 80 days or so and so and so forth. And you can push to multiple platforms. The academic group is where you set your terms, where you categorize the students. If you've got houses, that's where you put your houses, any clubs, any leadership positions. This is also where you set up your timetable, any exams that are going to be set, the grades, which is the most important setup thing. So a grade can have multiple classes, and the classes can have various subjects, and you can also set various fee items only applicable to that class. We can support multiple syllabuses, be it SimSec, Cambridge. Teachers can do schemes here. You can also have your assets register, which you can also link with the transport module. I will show that later. We also have got an inventory, where if you are selling uniforms, you can record them here. They could have variations like sizes. We support that all. You can record your sales here or via the tuck shop point of sale. Suppliers module, we've got requisitions, which go through a specific workflow up until it becomes a purchase order. We've got a transport module. The transport module allows you to assign students to a specific transport. Like you've got a combi, you assign this student to a combi. This is also linked with live telematics. With live telematics, we say if you are using your tracker, we can connect to that tracking system, and then parents can see the live location of the vehicle that their child is assigned to. We also have got HR modules from payroll. You no longer need to use any other payroll systems. You can just use the school system. We've got a library module, which can also manage book borrowings. We've got extensive reports, various reports that you can use, with some being AI assisted. You can schedule reports so that they are sent to your stakeholders. You can choose to say daily, at this specific time we send this report. You choose the report that you want to send and the platform that the report is going to be delivered. It's going to, usually it's email or WhatsApp, since SMS does not support file attachment. If you do not understand anything, we've got a detailed documentation. You can also open a support ticket if you need agent assistance. Under system and profile, you can manage your subscription, you can create roles. As you can see, our system is divided into modules, so you can create a new role and then assign the applicable permissions for that role. You can configure your AI settings. You can have certificate templates. The system can also manage student ID cards. And then imports, if you have got data from another system, like you are migrating to our system, you can import your students, any other record. We also log any activity that happens inside the system. We can tell you what was changed and who changed it. Okay, I guess this is just a quick overview. In the next videos, I'll be going through each module in detail and explaining how each module works. Thank you for watching this video.